on? Stupid camera. What's going on? Am I live? Jeez. What's up, peeps? Oh man, just always something. How's it going? How's it going? I don't even have anything. Hang on, I'll be right back. I'm a disaster, y'all. I'm a walking disaster, y'all. Worst streamer in the world. What's going on? Gosh. Ay. What's going on? Morgan, good to see you. Tim. What's up, Tim? Stuart. Trading Lab, good to see you. Been a while, Morgan. Appreciate you jumping in. How's everybody doing? How is everybody doing? Ay. Okay. Let's get into this. See what we got cooking on the markets. Yeah, second mouse strat would be nice here, for sure. Absolutely. All right. Let's see what we got cooking today, you guys. What's going on TikTok? Yeah, hope for a mouse strat and a bacon strat. Yeah. Yeah, I caught a tiny trade yesterday in Asia. Put a few bucks on the account, not much. Sometimes that's how it goes. So we'll hope for something good today. Yeah, let's see. Gold moving sideways still. Had a big push. Gold's been doing this where it pushes up and then it goes flat, and then it pushes up and then it goes flat. Gold's looking somewhat sideways today. Maybe we'll get ourselves an opportunity. Below this level right here, though, is really sweet. I like gold below this level, so if it does come back down, then that would be good. NQ, good chance of a bacon strat. Ooh, I would love to sell NQ today, you guys. Whew, look at it. Oh, I'd love to sell NQ. That's juicy. That is looking really good. This thing right here, if you want to do an impulse sell, now's the time to do it, because this giant wick, it's going to refill this giant wick and then do something else. But it is at least going to come all the way down. I see it. I should take it, but I'm not going to because I'm a chicken. I'm a chicken. But I feel like this is going to refill this entire wick right here. Your consistency for the day, but trading on demo for funsies? I like that idea. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. That sounds good. Good to see you, Morgan House. I know it's super late for you, but how are things? How has it been? Getting your crew fix? Getting your crew fix? It's good stuff. Yeah, tired but need the crude fix. I love it. Now, we always appreciate you being here. Never expected, of course, because it's so late where you're at. Looks like ES is also having very similar melt. It's not as clean to the left as it is on gold. Hang on, my garage door is opening and closing and opening and closing. Let me just make sure somebody's not trying to break in. I'll be right back. Okay. All right, we're good. What's up, Chris? Good to see you, man. What's up? Look, NQ refilled the whole wick. Told you. Look, right here. Told you. I should have taken it. Impulse sell. Should have taken a super, super not smart sell. Ay, ay, ay. Should have done it. It's all right. I'm only taking A+ setups right now. That's not really an A+ setup. That's an instinct thing. Oh, yeah. Nice, Tim. He took it. Heck yeah, my son. My friend. You're not my son. My friend. You're not my son. Son. That's funny, dude. All right. Anything happening on options today? Let us have a look-see. Ay, 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 ay. What am I doing? Options. What's up, Aura? Good to see you, my friend. How's the snow? You've got to be buried in it by now. Definitely got to be buried in it by now. Hey, if you guys haven't hit a like on the stream, I appreciate it. Appreciate it if you just give me a little thumbs up. Can't pay the fee for activation. When I click, it just reloads. That's weird, Chris. Have you tried using a different browser? Sometimes if I bring it up in like Chrome or something, I have to bring it up in something else, like Safari or Microsoft Edge or something like that. And then it usually works. I've had that happen before. Give that a try, Chris. If that doesn't work, then you definitely need to contact support and say, hey, I can't activate the account. Lost the road yesterday? Sheesh. I know what that's like. I grew up in a small town in the middle of the country in the Rockies. My dad and I had a cabin in South Park. Yes, the South Park. The South Park, the real South Park. We had a cabin there for about 15 years. And when we would go up there, there was so much snow and so much wind that I wish I had a picture to show you. That basically the snow would blow all the way up to the roof. You could literally walk from the road onto the roof of the cabin because there was so much snow. Now it was super dangerous and we never did that. But we had to get to the front door. So we would spend 4 hours digging a hole into this snow mountain that was on the, in the front of the house just to get to the front door. And then we get in the front door, we get in there, we'd fire up the wood stove and start warming the place up. And then we'd sleep there for the night. And I was like, oh, this is so cool. My dog used to run up and over, and then he'd go over another hill in the backyard. And the porta potty, not the porta potty, but the wooden like poo house or whatever you want to call it, was in the backyard. So we had to come out of the house, go up a mountain of snow, and go onto the other side just to get to the shitbox. Dude, it was some of the best, craziest times I've ever lived. Yeah. You should jump off the roof. of the house into your oh, that's, yeah, that sounds fun and dangerous. Yeah. I wish you had snow where you live. Yeah, it's hot here too, Morgan, where I'm at now. But it's most certainly cold right now, which is nice. I'm liking NQ for a bacon strat. We'll see here. It's refilled that wick. Now it's done. It can do whatever it wants. Might have ourselves a bacon strat. Not a bacon strat, a mouse strat. That's weird, Chris. I don't know how. I don't know what's going on there. That's really strange. You definitely should reach out to support. That's not normal. That's definitely not normal. Look at this. Is this next candle a news candle? What news is this? Jobless. Earlier. And then this is your mom's factory orders. What are we ordering from your mom? What is the US factory ordering from the mom? Well, what is she producing? Just curious. Maybe she makes mittens or something for the snow, for the north. What's up, Biblical? Good to see you, my friend. Welcome in. Welcome in. Yeah, snow's nice until it hits the ground. That is correct. Once it starts sticking, and then you have to shovel. And where I lived, if you didn't have a south-facing sun, there's a south-facing house into the sun, you're shoveling every day. You're shoveling every day. And I would always go out there and I would, like, just kind of bring it down very low and let the sun do the rest of the work. I like this for a reversal on NQ or ES. Kind of the same. Let's see what we get. Let us see what we get. Let's see here. Snow's nice. Yeah. All right, we got 30 seconds until this candle closes. I'm feeling good about a second mouse strat. Feeling really good about it. We're about to find out. Okay, I'm going to watch NQ for a minute here. I like NQ better than ES at the moment. I'm going to put an order in here. If NQ reverses back into the range, we're going to catch it. We shall see, but we shall see. Fantasy Stock, welcome to the crew. Welcome to the crew. Let's see what she's gonna do. Let's see what she's gonna do. Hopefully I don't get cooked here. That's why we'll see if I get cooked or not. I hope not. Man, NQ moved a lot. Jeez. Oh man, was that 10,000 ticks? How much is that? Just so you guys know, a couple of streams next week I'm gonna miss. I'm not gonna be able to stream on the first day of the week and the last day of the week. I won't be able to stream Monday and I won't be able to stream Friday. Just FYI to the BT dubs. Yeah, I know. I know, right? What you got for me, NQ? Order about to be filled.
Order filled.
We're in. Hopefully I don't get destroyed here. Hopefully I don't get top tick and destroyed. I'm going to be ready to exit this. Yeah, the Seth strat. This is the second mouse strat. I'm going to be ready to exit this trade with purpose if I need to. Because I don't want my account to get blown up on stream, which it might. It might get blown up on stream. We shall see. We shall see. Back into the range. 400 ticks is enough to pass an account. Holy piss. What am I in? 10? I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Might get nuked here. Don't give me 8 ticks and turn around. Don't do that. I hate that shit. Trading the challenge. Orem. Yeah. Get that money. This is the second mouse strat. Second mouse gets the cheese. We'll get the cheese out. Oops. Go back to the trade. No! Go back. Alright. Alright, my dudes. Let's see what we can get. Ay, 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 ay. Where's the cheese at? Oh, I'm gonna get destroyed in this trade. I just feel it. Second mouse gets the cheese. Where's the cheese? Where's the cheese? There's the cheese. Come on, go for it. NQ. Bacon? Yeah, bacon helps. Bacon, if I put the bacon behind the cheese. Oh no, look at the candles. Don't do it. Don't blow my account. Don't blow my account. It might get blown. I don't even have a stop loss set. Yay. Look at that. Ah, it's gonna nuke me. Yeah, about to get destroyed. Oh, I love the top tick. Don't you guys love this? Best trade in the world. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Best trade in the world. Look at that right there. Oh. Bink. See ya. Get back up there. Get back up there. Get back up there. Come on, NQ. What are you doing? What are you doing? Guys, this account might blow on stream, so just be ready for it. Just be ready for me to get cooked at a negative 150 ticks after it grabs my stupid freaking order and then decides, bye, we're not going to help you out today. We're not going to go. Look, that's all I got. That's it. That's all I got. You see this right here? That's it. That's all I got. And now we're negative 250 ticks. This account might be donezo. Donezo. This is all I got. Such a beautiful day. Well, I am not putting a stop loss in because either this account is going to get cooked. Oh my God. Or it's going to flip. Gotta love the top tick reversal. Gotta love it. Can't live without it. It's just a challenge account, but still, come on. I don't want to close it now. It's too much money lost. Can't close it now. I gotta let it ride. Yeah, that's what I need, Tim. Gotta love the top tick. Best thing ever. You click the button and it goes the opposite way every time. Not every time, but I hate when that happens. Oh, this account might be donezo for shunzo. It was looking pretty good there. It was looking pretty good. Maybe my strat ain't working out today. Maybe it's not going to work out for me today. And everybody's going to witness me blow this account on stream. Yeah. Hey, that's all right. I do win on stream, but sometimes I don't. I got to lose on stream too. Let's see what happens. Oh, yeah. I'm going to wait. Either this account is going to just get nuked or I'm going to pass it. I'm tired of sitting on this account. Yeah, exclamation Seth. That's right. It's not looking good, you guys. It's not looking good. We're getting not looking good. We're the 300 ticks, man. We're getting close to max loss limit. We're getting close. Yeah. Best long was 9:14. That's 4 hour. Yeah. We'll see. If it blows, you guys are going to witness it. You're going to witness it. Oh, hey, what's going on? My uncle's here. How's it going? I didn't even know that you knew that I was here. Yeah, this is not real money. Don't freak out. This is not real money. This is not real money. This is a qualification account. But yeah, my uncle's here. Say hi to my uncle. Yeah, so we'll see if I destroy this account or not. It's a practice account, basically. This is how it works. It's a practice account. But the real money is in silver, right? And in other stuff. What's silver doing right now? Silver is 120. It's at 120. That's insane. Absolutely insane. That's cool. Yep. I think NQ is gonna knock me out, you guys. I think NQ is gonna knock me out. We'll see. I'm gonna let it go. You never know. You never know. It could reverse still. NQ usually does this. NQ usually does this. Yeah. Sometimes, though, I've done this before, right? I've done this plenty of times where I'm losing a trade and I panic and I close it. And I'm like, no, don't do that anymore. Unless it's like, I have certain levels set. But this account, it's like, I'm ready to pass this account. So I really want this thing to rocket. Yeah, it's probably not going to. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, ouch to the drawdown. That's right, Stuart. No, it's good to see you, Stuart. Good to see you. We'll see. Usually I give NQ enough room to do what it just did to me. And for some reason, I guess I just didn't give it enough. I just didn't get enough room. I should have brought it up here. Yeah, that's pretty amazing. I can't believe that. I cannot believe silver's at 120. That just blows my mind. I remember when it was at 30. Not that long ago. Not that long ago. That's insane. Yeah, pretty wild. Pretty wild. But yeah, welcome to the stream. That's cool. That's really cool. Never thought My dad popped in the other day too. My brother-in-law popped in. It's kind of funny because I haven't told anybody, any family really, that I'm doing this. And then they're just finding me online. It's funny. $28 last year. That's right, Stuart. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. That's crazy. Gosh, that's crazy. Yeah. Yeah, this account isn't looking Too hot. You know what's nice about Top Step though? I'm not getting destroyed by trailing drawdown. Because right now, this fluctuation in this loss on Bullinox slowly eats away at your account. And I hate it. It's the stupidest design ever. Like, you gotta let a trade breathe, man. Gotta let a trade breathe. Yeah. Oh, they do take forever, Chris. My God. Yes. Bullinox, love you, but you're slower than molasses in the winter. In fact, if you were any slower, you'd be moving backwards. That's Bullinox. All right, this account's... We'll see. We'll see if we can flip back up. I've seen this before. What I'm waiting for, what I'm hoping for on this account is... I'm hoping this closes small, and then the next one goes green. I've seen that before. Praying. Blew that bully yesterday. Yeah, or today. Kind of glad Rhythmic is just so bad. Yeah. Yep, exactly, Stuart. I hope so, Chris. I really hope so. I ain't got much more room now to the drawdown, to the max loss limit. It's getting close. It's getting real close. Yeah. You want to enter that trade? Yeah. Yeah, it's not looking too hot right now. I think I'm... This is why you don't trade news candles, right? Whatever your mom is ordering right now is nuking me. Whatever your mom is ordering is taking me out. O-Star, welcome to the crew. Thanks for the follow. Thanks for the follow. You guys are watching me lose live on Seth Trades NYSE TV. Oh man, I think we've hit... I think we're really, really close. There's no way. This account's not going to recover. There's no way. You're in it too. You're getting cooked. Get out, Tim. Get out. Done. Cooked. Ineligible funding. Thanks, NQ. Appreciate it. Is that my account? Is my account information on here? No. Look at that. That trade was negative 2,100. Oh, good thing it's not real. My account is on screen, but it's covered up. Ay. What's up, Allison? We just destroyed my Top Step account. Because NQ is bastard and decided to top tick me and then completely reverse. Completely. Well, now what? You guys, you saw it here. My account got cooked. Oh, but you can still join us at Top Step TV Monday through Friday. Yikes. Well, we did it on stream. That was not intentional. This account was doomed from the start, you guys. Doomed. This is the account that I got... yeah, you really reload and go again. Yeah, you gotta get on the... You gotta get on the horse and ride again. But this is the account that I took a trade and I put my personal daily loss limit at 750, and then it blew past 750 to 1300. So I started this account at negative 1300 drawdown right off the bat, and I was able to work my way all the way back up. But I guess it just wasn't in the cards. Jeez, look at it now. Well, maybe the second mouse strat, I need to give it a lot more room if I'm going to do it. I need to give it a lot more room. I need to go like maybe half. I'm still testing this strategy. Maybe I shouldn't have taken it on this account. But I didn't give it enough room, obviously. It just, sometimes though, you see it and then it was just completely reverse. And that's what it started to do. It reversed. Oh, 234 ticks is huge. Yeah, news candle. Yeah. 234 ticks is a huge reversal. That thing is moving. So the fact that it moved the opposite direction after that is wild. But that's why it's a qualification account, right? It's not real money, which is fine. Totally cool with it. You can't get attached to your accounts. You gotta get get back on the horse and do it. You know, that's it. Wonder if I can still trade this. Nope, I can't trade it. Max loss limit. Well, how about that? NQ, of all the times I've won NQ, NQ took it all back today. All back. NQ said, nope, not today. This is why you don't trade a personal account. If you are going to trade a personal account, you should do it in options and not this. It's funny how Top Step, they email you immediately after you blow your account. All right, let's see what we're doing on our real money accounts. Can't believe that happened. I can't believe that happened. It's crazy. Crazy that it just completely reversed on me like that. Wow. That's insane, man. Oh, your mom burned me today. I got burned. Baby burn. Just add it to the pile of blown accounts. Add it to the pile. I was doing really good on this account too. This was the... Here's the trade calendar. It was starting to really pick up. See, this is where the account got initially cooked from a trading error that I asked TopStep to fix, and they said no. And I was pissed about it because I'm like, listen, I put in a $750 PDLL. It blew $700-800 past that. Come on, help me out here. No, sorry, that's slippage. Yes, slippage is fine, but not that much slippage. So I'm like, fine, I'm gonna have to work and make it back. Good day Friday, good day Monday. I had a good week so far. Just today, I should have. This is where I'm. So let's see what I can learn here, right? What can I learn from my lesson? This right here, and this were all taken on A+ setups. A+ setups only. And the second mouse strat that I'm working on, that I'm testing, is not an A+ setup yet. I haven't perfected it. So I shouldn't have taken it on this account. I should have taken it on my test account, which is what I normally do. I take it on my test Bullinox account. Those accounts are cheap, right? I can pay $13 and just whatever. I can just test the account and whatever. I don't even care if I blow it. But this one I paid a little more for, so I shouldn't have taken on this one. So the lesson here is that I should have continued to take A+ trades. That's what I should have done. Ay, ay, ay. Crazy, crazy. All right, well, yeah, we know now. Thank you. I hope nobody else took it. I know you said you took it, Tim, but sorry if I led you to disaster. Jeez, look how much it's melted since then. That's insane. Silver's coming back down too. Silver's at 118. So I'm sorry, Tim. Resetting it now. Sorry, Tim. Don't always just blindly follow me. Yeah. Want to write it back up? I do. Yeah. 1,500 ticks. That's insane, Chris. That's insane. That's an insane move. You know what's crazy? That's enough to pass an account or blow an account. That was just insane. It's just, it's frustrating that I had to go the opposite way on me, right? I could have passed the account today. I could have passed the account Yeah, they are on crack. That's right, Will. I could have passed the account. This is insane. Absolutely insane. Look at that. 1,500 ticks. Crazy, dude. But that would have been really nice if I would have passed the account today. Really, really nice. Yeah. Yeah, I want to write it back up. Jeez. I can't believe that. That's so crazy. Well, sorry you got cooked, Tim. Now you know. Don't always blindly follow me. When I say this is an A+ setup, then you can feel a little bit more confident. That was not obviously an A+ setup. Sometimes you get A+ setups and you still get cooked, right? Which is a probability loss. The market is open. Wasn't it already open? Sometimes they close it when it moves too much. Maybe I'll get lucky and Top Step will have some kind of error and I'll get the account back. That has happened before. You already reset, Tim? Quicker than me, my friend. Yeah, Mousetrap is, like I said, I'm still testing it, right? Which is fine. Just fine. I just haven't perfected it yet. I really haven't. My entry figuring out my entry has been challenging. Normally I give it, dang it, I gotta clear my throat. I'm so done with my own throat. Hang on. Okay. What was I saying? Oh, yeah, so second mousetrap, I need to perfect it. I still got to work on it. You got cooked by the brick phone company? That's not good, nasty. Nokia? Oh, you shouldn't be trading a Nokia. I traded Nokia. No, I didn't trade Nokia. Nokia to me is not worth my time. The brick phone company. It's funny. It's not funny that you got cooked, though. Sorry to hear that. Somebody was telling me on TikTok that they traded Nokia and they got cooked. What's up, Jim Gal? How you doing? So, yeah. Going back in. Careful, Tim. Be careful. Once I take a big loss, I pretty much have to be done for the day. Even though this was, man, what a what a move. I still can't believe I got top ticked. Most of the trades I lose, I get top ticked. Right? Comes up, touches your order, and says bye. See ya. Opposite direction. No, we have no respect for you here. All right, we'll do a little bit longer, and then I'll probably jump off and figure out what to do with my life. No, I was kidding. It's just a qualification account, right? It's no big deal. You can't get attached to your accounts. You cannot get attached to your accounts. It's not a good idea. If you notice right now, if you notice right now, what's my emotion? A tad bit frustrated. Would have been really nice to pass this account today. Wasn't trying to pass this account today. But for the most part, I'm pretty neutral. Pretty neutral. I didn't just actually really lose $2,000, right? I didn't do that. It's not real, right? It's qualification. So it's like all I really lost was what I paid to get into the account, which is still significant enough. But I'm just evaluating the emotions, right? Because they're so tied to. That's why I am not. Basically, what I'm trying to say is to not get emotionally tied to your accounts. Like, oh my gosh, I can't believe it, and then sit there and dwell on it for 3 days. You just got to move on, because what'll happen is eventually. In fact, I've pulled money out of the other side of the market to buy this account. I've pulled money out of options to buy this account, right? I feel like I'm basically just taking out of one pocket in the market and putting it in the other, right? So I don't know. Just get back on the horse and try again. Maybe I definitely could have passed today and move forward on this Top Step account, but I guess not. This is my third Top Step account. I don't know. I haven't figured it out yet, I guess. Are is it the candle's frozen? What's going on here? Wow, that's a lot of red, you guys. I'm so glad I bought today. You know, it'd been nice if I got a signal that said, hey, you should sell today, not buy today. Who would have known? Jeez, look at NQ just melted against me. I didn't think your mom's news was that important. I'm curious. I want to see. Yeah, that might happen, Biblical. But it'll be all right. You can still make money. Yep, you can sell. Exactly, you can sell covered calls. United Airlines is always. You can trust United Airlines. I've never been disappointed by United Airlines. Should be okay, Biblical. That's the other thing. Is United Airlines going out of business in the next week? Highly unlikely. So it's not like you're gonna get nuked on those shares. There's not even high impact news today. That news wasn't even high impact. I'm looking at it on Forex Factory. If you guys want to see the news for trading, go there. Oops. Go to that website there. forexfactory.com. Really? There it is. No, that's not it. Come on, Stream Elements. Work with me. Why is Stream Elements not giving you guys the link? Alright, whatever. Stream Elements is acting weird today. Well, there's a link if you want it. So anyways, looking at, we had unemployment at 8:30, but that was fine. And then I started trading at 9:30. I don't even see this other stuff. And supposedly Trump's speaking today at 4:30, so that's definitely going to move the market. Yeah. Now it's going green. 10:15 candle. But if you've ever blown an account, I guess it's a good lesson, right? We got to learn a lesson. If you ever blown an account, think about how you've reacted to that happening, right? And get to the point where You can be like me, or me in this moment, and just, oops.
The market is open.
Why you keep telling me the market's open? I know, lady. They must be shutting down trading for certain tickers. When it moves that far, usually they turn it off. But anyways, hopefully you can learn a lesson from me and just
The market is open.
okay, we know the market's open. What am I trying to say, you guys? My brain is cooked right now, I guess. I guess what I'm trying to say is don't get attached to your accounts and try to have a neutral emotion towards it. What's up, Stuart? The market is open. You schmuck. Yeah, it is. I guess it is. The market's open, but you're going to get cooked like this cheese and this bacon right here. That's funny, Stuart. You cracked me up, dude. See, you were talking about the Bullinox account, yeah, is gone too, and that's fine, you know. That's what it is. Silver was moved to open status. It moved so much that they closed it. That's what happened. I have a feeling we're gonna get an email from Top Step that says, "Oh, we had issues, so we're resetting all trades for today." And I'm gonna be like, "Yes." Because I just got destroyed. 5%. Yeah, I think they do this. Top Step sometimes does this where they have anomalies, a market anomalies or whatever. This is not even high impact news. If you go to Forex Factor and you look right now, this, whatever your mom is ordering, is not high impact news. It says it here, but it's not even on Forex Factory. So, I don't know. Whatever she ordered on Amazon is crashing the market, I guess. Yeah, so much red for whatever she's ordering on Amazon. So I don't know, man. I'm hoping that maybe I get an email from TopStep later that says, "Oh, we're resetting all accounts today." That would be awesome because I just got destroyed. And now look, it's going green. So I don't have anybody to blame but myself. I will tell you that I'm definitely gonna need to. Yeah, destroyed. That's right, Tim. Destroyed by the mom. I do need to spend more time testing the second mouse strat on an account I don't care about. I did care about this account. I put some work into this account a little bit, right? Stop. Because of how it got basically everything that happened with it being negative 1300 and now having to work my way out of that hole. Ay. This is why futures, I tell you guys, futures is stressful, and this is why futures is not my favorite. This is why options is my favorite. Mr. Witt, thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Welcome to the crew. This is why I like options. Because the worst case scenario, like Biblical was saying, "Oh, I'm going to get 100 shares assigned." All right, cool. Let's make more money. Real money. This is not real money. This is a joke. Yeah. There's a couple guys in the mentorship. The way they trade is fine. No shame on anybody. I'll never say anything about how anybody trades, but the way they trade is interesting to me. They will have days like this where they blow an account and then they get another account and then they blow an account and then they get another account and then they blow an account and then they get another account and they'll make like 3 or 4 times that amount. They'll take a payout, which will basically erase all of the accounts that they've blown, and then they end up blowing that account after a payout. And then they get another account and they blow that account. And then they get another account and then let's say they pass that account, take another payout. Then they blow that account. It's just like constantly how they're doing it. There's a guy in the mentorship said he's blown 300 accounts last year. 300 is insane. That's a lot. So basically, what are the chances you're gonna get into account and stay in the futures account, probably low. You'll probably get a payout or two and then you'll blow it. And I know there's some people that blow them on purpose. So it's wild, man. This is a crazy game we play. So I'm not that cheesed about losing this account. Yeah, 300 is insane. And it's kind of becoming common, I think, of guys doing this. Gold's looking pretty good for reversal back up, but who knows, man? The market apparently right now is extremely volatile. You can hear the thing going off. Market is open. The market is open. So something's happening. Definitely wish I would have sold this. I can tell you that. It almost sometimes is a 50-50 coin flip. Flip a coin, pick buy or sell. That's what's basically happening. It's just crazy. It's just crazy. It seems like that's what most traders are doing. Flip a coin, buy or sell is how which is a 50-50. You flip a coin 100 times, the chances of it landing around 50 are pretty good. And it feels like to me that people's accounts are kind of like that. They know how to trade and they know the correct trades to take and the size and all that stuff. But then you have days like this where the account gets blown and then they just reset, come back tomorrow and do it again. That's just wild to me. Yeah. So I just need to get my options accounts into the 100 to 150K range so I can basically sell contracts and I can tell this to take a hike. To be honest with you, there's a lot of times I want to just completely dump futures and just say, it's not worth it. It's not worth my time because it's so volatile and it ends up being 50-50 at the end of the day. Like if I go to my loss and win rate on this account, I bet it's around 50%. My 64% win rate. And the account is gone. What does that even mean? A 64% win rate and the account is gone. Well, those are some good numbers right there. I've basically won the coin flip 6 out of 10 times. But I had one loss that destroyed the entire account on a volatile day in NQ. Yeah, be a trader, they said. Yeah, it'll be fun, they said. Quit your job and become a trader. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Not until you have 500K in the bank, and then you can trade options. So there you go. Wow. You still learn from it. Yeah, it's true, Stuart. Yeah, it's true. And I'm not like I said, I'm not upset. Yeah, don't trade news. Yeah, normally if I were to do stop, I know I lost the account. Thank you. There were no other setups there. There was no reversal and there was no continuation setups, right? It just wasn't. So because I took my own setup that I'm still learning, I guess, then there wasn't an actual setup, and I would still have the account, and we might be setting up here for a reversal back up right now on NQ. Hard to say. So that's all right. That's all right. But I'm just basically spitballing right now. All right, well, that's it for me for today. Options tomorrow. Just want to say thank you for Trading Lab being here. Doc's wife was here for a bit. Morgan, appreciate you coming in. You're probably asleep by now. Chris, appreciate you. Biblical. Tim, Orem, Will, and Stuart. Yeah, we interesting day in the market for me. Tomorrow is Friday, right? Yeah, tomorrow's Friday. So I won't be trading. Oh, no, really? See, something's going on. Okay. Tomorrow we'll do options, and I won't be streaming Monday. So next time I'm doing futures is next Tuesday. So I've got some time to think about what I'm going to do. Am I going to get another account? Am I going to say take a break? I don't know. Who knows? Who knows with these futures, man? Who knows? So I know how to trade them, but it's just sometimes you just get unlucky, I guess. It happens. Yeah, the market is open, Stuart. All right, you guys. Appreciate you guys witnessing me blow an account. And we'll catch you again soon. So take care of yourself. Thanks for being here.